We're at the Modera Waugh in Houston, Texas. The Modera Waugh in Houston, Texas. And we're actually on the second floor. We got a kind of an unusual amenity here. Let's take a look at it. So it's the putting green and the spa, like S-P-A-W. How funny. So first of all, let's explore that spa. That's the pet wash area. I'm gonna walk in so you can see it. Wow, this is really big. It's a little noisy, that fan too, but it's pretty big. Wow. Okay, that's for the small dogs. That's for the big dogs. That's a pretty cool spa, pet spa. That's really neat. Love that huge area with a vacuum too. Very, very nice. That's cool. And then there is a putting green. So the putting green is actually pretty darn cool. Let's see this thing. Trying to get some lights on the subject for you. Let's see if this works over here. But this is pretty cool. Will that work? Let's see. That's not going to work. But anyway, you can see it. Maybe when I walk out there, it'll kind of activate it. But this is what it looks like. It's really cool. It's basically, oh, okay, it did activate. Nice. Okay, so it's four green, so you can basically practice your putting. And it looks like it's kind of curvy and cool in different areas. And you've got all areas to sit. So it's kind of a fun room here. I like this room. It's really cool. Hey, if you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, or you just have Houston questions in general, to get that best apartment in Houston, hey, send me a text. Just use this number. I'm super fun. I'm easy to work with, and I'm always 100% free to help you find your perfect place. The apartments love working with us. You don't get charged extra ever for working with us. In fact, they love it when you work with us, and you'll have a great experience, and you'll get quick, great expert service. So go ahead and reach out, and now let's go see some more amenities.